Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we will discuss the worksheet 6 of factors and multiples. Now coming to the question number 1, find the LCM by listing their multiples. So already you know the first method is by listing the multiples, isn't it? So first question is 12 and 9. Multiples of 12, multiples of 9. Already we have told if it is a smaller number you have to write more multiples, and for the bigger numbers little bit less, isn't it? So multiples of 12, write up to 5 and check. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 fives are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. Now try the multiples of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Okay. Now here underline. First underline the common multiples. So first common multiple is 36. As I have already told you, first is 36. So next will be 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 7. Next will be 72. So see whether it is there in here 12. So 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, you know, isn't it? Then put dots. So you got 36 and 72, and they continue, isn't it? So which is the LCM? The smallest, that is the 36. Is it clear? Hope you understood. Now coming to the next, it is 4, 5 and 2. So it is multiples of 4. It is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40. Okay. Now it will be 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Now check the common multiples. It is 20. Okay. Now first is 20, that means next will be 40. You know, here you got 40 in both, but here in 2 also 40 is there, isn't it? 40 is divisible by 2. So you can write like this and then 40. So write 40. So the LCM is 20. Is it clear? Hope you are understanding. So see whether the next multiple is it divisible, then right. Next it is first multiple, common multiple is important. Now coming to 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 3s are 75, 4s are 100, 5s are 125, 6 are 50, 150. Okay, 15. 1s are 15, 2s are 30, 4s are 3s are 45, 4s are 60, 5s are 75. Then it is 90, then 105, 120, 135 and 150. You got 75 and 150. Here remember the multiples, they go on continuing. फैक्टर्स का जैसे स्टॉप नहीं है, इसके लिए उधर डॉट्स डालने का है. कॉमन मल्टीपल्स आर 75 and 150. तो LCM is 75. Remember, common multiples you have to write minimum 2. Okay, it goes on, but minimum 2 and then the smallest is the LCM. Hope you understood the first sum. 3 sums are there. They are of listing the multiples. Now coming to the second method, that is a prime factorization method. Hope you remember, in examples already we have done, isn't it? What is the prime factorization method? It is 10, 15 and 6. Separately you have to do the prime factorization. It is 2, 5s are 10, 5 1s are. So write 2 into 5. Now 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are. So this is 3 and 5. Now for 6, it is 2, 3s are 6, 3 1s are. You got 2 and 3. Hope you understood. First write everything and keep it ready and do the prime factorization and write. जैसे जैसे prime factorization करते हैं उसके values लिखो. Now the common, underline the common. It is 2 2 बार है, 1 बार लिखो. 5 2 बार है, 1 बार लिखो. 3 2 बार है, 1 बार. So now LCM is 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 30 is the answer. Is it clear? Now coming to the question number B, 16, 12 and 18. So 16, 12 and 18. Right, prime factorization of 16, prime factorization of 12, prime factorization of 18. Even number, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. 2 4 times, right? 1 2 3 4. Now 12, even number, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 1s are 3. It is 2 into 2 into 3. Now 18, even number, 2 9s are 18. Now directly 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. 2 into 3 into 3. Now common, 2 तीनों में है, 1 बार लिखो. 2 2 नंबर में है, 1 बार लिखो. अभी 3 2 नंबर में है, 1 बार लिखो. अभी कॉमन खत्म हो गया. 1 2 times, 2 and 3 8. So common ones, write one time first or in all the three, then check for the common ones in two numbers, फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड एंड थर्ड, वो सब देखो, फिर एक बार लिखने का और अनकॉमन को सब. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 16 9s are, it is 144. Okay. Now coming to the third question, number C. So same method, 25, 30, 40, तीनों को राइट साइड में आप लोग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करो. Write prime factorization of 25, prime factorization of 30, prime factorization of 40. This is, you know, directly 5. 5 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 into 5. Now it is 2 because even number, 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, 5s are 10. Now 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So it is 2 into 3 into 5. Next, even number 2. 2 2s are 4, 0. 2 1s are 2, 0. 2 5s are 10. Now directly 5 1s are. So 2 3 times and then 5. Is it okay? Now write the common तीनों में, it is 5. Write one time. Now here 5, here it's not there. Now 2 is common. Now uncommon, it is 3 and 2. Now find out. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. One more 5 is there, sorry, isn't it? इधर एक अनकॉमन 5 भी है. So 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 6 into 10, 60, 60 into 10, 600. 10 10s are 100, 3 2s are 6, 6 into 100, 600. Is it okay? So this is the first two sums. First is the list by listing the multiples, second is by prime factorization method. Hope you are confident of these two methods. Okay, bye. Thank you.